How's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable hotspot in iPhones. This tutorial is for iOS only. It won't work for other devices. I will first show you a method for iPhones with iOS 13 or later. After that, I will show you a method that will work in older devices as well. Let's begin. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. Long press or firmly press the Network Connectivity section in the top left corner. It should show icons for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and airplane mode. In the expanded menu, you should see a Personal Hotspot icon. It looks like a chain link with a small arrow pointing up. Tap on the Personal Hotspot icon to enable it. If this is the first time you're using the hotspot, your iPhone may prompt you to set up the hotspot by creating a Wi-Fi password. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your hotspot. Now for the second method. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. It's the app with the gear icon, usually found on the home screen. In the Settings menu, tap on Personal Hotspot. It's usually located below the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options. On the Personal Hotspot page, toggle the switch to turn it on. The switch should turn green, indicating that the hotspot is enabled. So this is how to enable hotspot in iPhones. I hope this video was of help. Bye.